You have fun, like, groping yourself in that song?
Yeah, who doesn't?
Hi, we're your weather girls. And have we got news for you? You better listen. You ready? Here we go. And leave your umbrellas at home. Temperatures rising. Fire's getting low. Hey, I'll do my kick routine for this. She's so
like an aerobic classmate.
For the first time, just about half past 10. For the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's a raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. And this man, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna let myself get absolutely soaking wet.
Whoa, that's dirty.
It's raining man.
Well,
Hallelujah, it's rain. Yes, I did. There's just a man, tall, blonde, dark and mean, rough and tough and strong and mean. God bless Mother Nature. She's a single woman too. She took off to heaven, and she did what she had to do. She taught every angel, she rearranged the sky, so that each and every woman could find the perfect guy. You look like something from Charlie Brown. It's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man. Amen.
Oh my god, I have no points? What?
How do you not have any points?
I don't know.
This is already like the end of the song, isn't it?
How is that possible? You're right. What the hell is this?
Maybe it's just not calculating? Because I saw a couple perfects. Crazy. Scrape off the roof and stay in there. Oh, that's hot. God bless Mother Nature.
Talk about Mother Nature being horny. Don't like
a bunch of fat chicks getting perfect men. Don't you understand it? Look at this girl. Oh, sorry, fat black chick. Excuse me.
Wow.
Well, no, do you not hear the woman's voice?
Yeah.
She's clearly not white.
You're right.
I'm just saying. Yeah.
Dude,
Let's
sassy walk.
Oh, yeah. Get it on. Okay.
What the hell is this? Where am I
It
points?
shows how bad you suck.
They're still wooing for me, so I did something right.